trains.
We're gonna paint and build a train.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that.
Whoa!
You guys are gonna start with the engine.
I
You have to
want
figure out what color you want your engine to be.
to be.
That's your brush. What colors do you want? Blue, green, red, and black.
I want
Okay, what we're gonna do
is what?
is we're gonna paint the engine, and then we're gonna paint the wheels, and we gotta let it dry. And then we'll put it together, and then we'll put the decals on last. Okay? Put the brush in the paint,
My turn.
and you brush it on.
Here you go, honey.
Okay?
Watch Papa.
You do it.
Good
Is
job.
blue your favorite color?
I'm gonna hold the paint for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put that paint on there you go.
I like
Just like
blue,
that.
green, purple,
Great
brown.
job.
Do it all
I want to
over.
make it so colorful.
Put some more on your
Colorful.
brush.
Good job, Munchkin. Look at you painting that
Put it in there.
train.
Keep painting.
Keep going, bud.
You gotta cover all the wood with blue.
Wow. Good job, Colin. What color do you want to paint on the top? Do you want a different color?
All the
Yeah,
empty
yeah,
spots.
green. I'm finishing up.
Good job,
I
babe.
want
I will hold it, you do this side. We're gonna put red on this side, okay?
It's gotta dry, then you can place
That's
it.
it like that. Yeah, that's it. Good. Good. Oh my goodness, that is nice.
That is so nice. See?
I love your color selections.
I do.
It's all dry.
I do.
Look at
Look,
that.
these are called axles. These are called axles.
This looks so cool.
We're gonna put the axles through the train.
Isn't it?
Good
Great
job.
job, Colton.
Good job,
Here,
Colton.
let's put this with the
Now watch. Put your axles through like that, and then lift the train up like this, but leave the axles in, okay? Swap. Pull it up. There you
Good
go.
job, Liam.
No, we're gonna get the glue out.
Wow.
We're gonna put glue in the wheels like this.
Wow.
Okay?
Thank you.
Like that.
Awesome.
That's how we're gonna glue them.
We're gonna do yours in a little bit. Look at my choo-choo.
There, let those wheels dry.
Munchkin, show me the train you made. What colors did you use?
Red, green, blue, and black.
Blue and black, and show me all the stickers. Did you do that with Papa?
Yeah.
Awesome. That's a fun project.
One more sticker. It's the smokestack.
The smokestack.
Another smokestack.
And you're good.
There we
Yay!